I'm the fastest reader in the world. I read a 1,679 pages book within 2 seconds.
Wow.
You did what? Wait.
I'm also the fastest reader in the world. I can read millions of books within 5 seconds.
और अभी तो रुको, क्लाइमैक्स अभी बाकी है।
प्रिंसिपल की कॉल आ रही है, लगता है उन्हें पता चल गया कि आई एम द फास्टेस्ट रीडर इन द वर्ल्ड। आई कैन रीड मिलियंस ऑफ बुक विद इन 5 सेकेंड। बात करते हैं। हेलो, हाँ नमस्ते सर। बढ़िया। क्या मेरी 5 सब्जेक्ट में बैक लग गई? वैसे और सब्जेक्ट में पास हूं ना सर। क्या 5 ही सब्जेक्ट था? अब क्या है यार।
मेरा तो इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया है, इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया है मेरा।
अरे बस कर, रुलाएगा क्या? हाँ भाई, कैसी लगी? आगे स्वाद।
Welcome everyone, my name is Ankit. In this video I am going to talk about top 4 interesting book of the day. अभी आपने देखा कि मेरे साथ क्या हुआ, ऐसा आपके साथ ना हो, इसलिए मैं लाया हूँ आज के वीडियो में top 4 interesting self-help book. This wonderful book can help you a lot in your life by maintaining your mindset in positive direction and finding the purpose of your life and building good habits and breaking bad habits. These wonderful books are categorized in self-help book ever. You can see this is the wonderful combination of both Indian writer as well as foreign writer. You can see here a stack of 4 my wonderful book.
क्या बात है?
First wonderful book I have is Do Epic Seed by Ankur Warike. These wonderful books give you idea about money, time and understanding yourself. These books clear all the concept of life including passion, money, entrepreneurship, purpose, goal in your life. This is also a bestseller book. This book is written in the main meaning of do epic shit is that do means action, epic means bigger than yourself and shit means having fun while doing it. This book consists content like success and failure, habits, awareness, entrepreneurship, money and relationship, and also a note of the author. And in the last of this book you will see the how you can manage relationship with money, time and also yourself. This book was written in December 27, 2021. This wonderful book is Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. Jay Shetty is basically an Indian writer, monk and businessman who changes the million of life in India also. This book can give you idea about how to find your purpose and train your brain to achieve more. This book is also a New York bestseller book. According to Jay Shetty, the 3 things are cancer of mind. These are complaining, criticizing and comparing. This can also ruin our lives. So the Think Like Monk consists of contents like which is divided into 3 parts. These are Let's Go Part 1, in which you will find 4 chapters. These are identify negativity, fear and intention. The goal of monk thinking is to free yourself of baggage, things like anxiety, ego, fear, jealousy that hold us back. And also you are aware of Forbes magazine. Forbes also named his 30 under 30 list of game-changing impact of media. This wonderful book was published in 8 September 2020. The back of this book you will find the quotes of Robin Sharma, the author of 5 AM Club. He is writing here the master work on how great ones think, live and serve the highest level. This book will also help you millions of human being rises.
Meanwhile,
the next best book in our list is Atomic Habit by James Clear. This wonderful book was written in 16 October 2018. By reading this book, you will come to know how to break bad habits and establish good ones, and how to get 1% better every day. And this wonderful book has been sold 5 million copies over the worldwide, and this is also translated into more than 50 languages. In front of this book, you will see the quotes of Mark Manson. A supremely practical and useful book. This make it wonderful. And in the last, you will also see the quotes of Ryan Holiday, the author of Obstacle is the Way. The Obstacle is a Way is also a wonderful book. It is because obstacles which make you more capable to do hard work. This beautiful book is basically divided into 4 laws. First one is make it obvious, second is make it attractive, third is make it easy, or fourth is make it satisfying. And also you will find the fundamentals of this book and also notes of author in the last. This is also great self-help book. माइंड को फ्रेशनेस के लिए ये काफ़ी ज़रूरी होता है. If I once fresh, then I can make more confidently content. So this is more important. And you can see the content of this book also, including graphics, photos. Or the next book I have is The Subtle Art of Not Giving Dash by Mark Manson. This wonderful book is all about approaching good lives, and this book was written in 2016, and this is also a bestseller book, newest bestseller book ever. This book is all about hope and how you can improve your life by improving yourself. The Subtle Art of Not Giving Dash teaches reader how to live a happier life and anxiety-free life through practical philosophy centered around rejection of any self-help book efforts. In this book, you will find the contents like don't try, happiness is a problem, you are not special, the value of suffering, and you are always choosing, you are going to wrong about everything. And the quality of this book is also awesome because this is original. In the last of this book, you will see the motto of this book. This is all about the key to being a stronger, happier people is to handle adversity better and stop trying to be positive all the time. The quality of this book is also awesome because this is original book ever I have purchased. Last of this book, you will see the motto of this book. This is all about the key to being a stronger, happier people is to handle adversity better and stop trying to be positive all the time.
मज़ा आया, और मैं ये जो मज़ा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूँ.
दोस्तों, ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी होगी. ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करिए. मिलते हैं जल्द, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय.